guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison, and today we're going to be reviewing the famous Nickelodeon eyeshadow palette from Hottopic. So, I'm a kid of the 90s, so this appeals to me. It's looks like this. It comes with the cling film? No, it's not cling film. Like a wrapper protecting the eyeshadows. So they're all like this. It comes with a mirror, and it comes in a VHS tape, which if none of you know this, you don't know the pain of rewinding them. But the colors they have is I'm Beautiful, You Idiot, We Love Me, All Dolled Up, Smashing, Roar, Oh Fish Sticks, Football Head, I'm the Boss, and Hi Oh Diggity, which these are all references to old Nickelodeon shows like Hi Oh Diggity, that is Cat Dog, which was one of my favorite cartoons as a kid. And there's all a bunch of like graphic awesomeness, I would say. I'm excited. It comes with a brush that looks like when you get like a watercolor like palette. You know how it comes with like a brush? It looks like that brush. But let's get into it. Here we go. Very classy here. Oh, it comes with another display because I was kind of scared because it is Hottopic and there's a bunch of like teenage kids that like come in and they like wrangle and like touch everything. But it's nice that now it's like double protected. But today we're going to do an eye look. I have no idea what we're doing, but we're going to do it. And it's all cardboard, so the packaging isn't entirely superb. It was only $16.90. Yeah, $16.90. Fun fact, I used to work at Hottopic. Yeah. And I technically got the last one in my store because I was late in getting it, and thank God I got it. But let's get into it. Okay, we're gonna get started, and I might look different because I was editing this and it was all corrupted because, you know, I'm a YouTuber and I know what I'm doing. So we're gonna go back in. And we're gonna go into a Morphe M166 brush. We're just gonna put that all over the lid. And pretty good color. It does have some kickback. So I'm going to go into a Morphe M505. Can you calm down? And I'm gonna go into All Dolled Up. And there's some kickback, but like, where's this pigment coming from? I'm just going to sweep that up into my crease. There is a significant amount of kickback, but I mean, it's a chalkier shadow, so I'm not really too mad at it. What was your favorite show? Like, my favorite was Cat Dog. I love Cat Dog. I love Rugrats. What was your favorite? I'm going to take a Real Techniques brush and I'm going to go into Hi Oh Diggity. A lot of pigment. I'm just going to add that as well, just one. She got pigment. Okay. She got pigment. There isn't as much kickback on this shadow, than the others. Seems like the shimmering shades have a lot more kickback than the matte ones. So I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend those two colors together to go into a crown brush. And this is the C412 brush, just like a little blending brush. And I'm going into You Idiot. And I'm going to go in the outer corners. And this is a pretty color. This is very 90s, like that berry color, you know. And I'm loving the palette, like, there's some fallout. It's like all these irregular shapes, very organic, which kind of goes with their like slime theme. So I'm digging it. Wow. And this is, I love the packaging, the way it looks. It's cardboard, so it's not very sturdy. The mirror's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, because we're doing this through a compact mirror. And it's pretty good. It's a pretty decent mirror. Yeah, I was born late 90s. I was born in 98, so I'm 19, but I remember these shows, like, because I saw like reruns, but I didn't see them really when they came out. But I saw reruns. I was living. I had an older sister that she would watch these, and I would watch them as well. I'm going to bring a concealer into the equation. I'm going to add a concealer on the middle of the lid. Flat brush, and I'm going into I'm Beautiful, and there's a lot of fallout, a lot coming from this shadow. I'm going to press that into the lid. Kind of patchy. I've noticed that the shimmering ones are a little bit more patchy than the matte shades, so that's okay. I mean, for a $16 palette, it's really, for a $16 palette, this is really not bad at all. Go into the inner corners, and go back in with a little bit of You Idiot, and just kind of buffing that color in so it kind of blends all together. So I'm going to bring in a little bit of a NYX crystal liner, the gold one, and I'm just going to add that because why not? So now I'm going to bring in the Vamp Lip Gloss by Anastasia. I don't know, it's new. I'm hoping it does what I want it to. Ooh. I went with a berry color because, you know, the 90s had that, like, berry color everywhere. It was kind of like, what's her name? Drew Barrymore. Always in a berry lip. It smells really good. So, yes. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Oh, yes. So this is the look with the eyeshadow palette from Hottopic Nickelodeon. I'm digging it. It's for a $16 palette, like, I'm really not mad at it. Like, really not. It's very flimsy, like, I'll give you that. Like this, like the top is foam and it's covered in like this sticker. Foam and like cardboard. But I'll swatch these on my arm so we can see. I'll do it with my finger so you get like the most pigment. So here are all the swatches. It starts with I'm beautiful, you idiot, he loves me. I just said we love me the whole time. He loves me, I'm dyslexic. All dolled up, smashing, roar, oh fish sticks, football head, I'm the boss, and hi-oh diggity. You can't see oh fish sticks on my skin because, you know, I'm really pale and that's a pale color. The only color I'm kind of like really disappointed with is roar because I'm in her, like I'm digging and like no pigment and like there's nothing really there. Like the rest, like you can see in my finger, they're like there, but like roar, she's not there. She didn't come to the party, but other than that, it's a pretty, there's been lipstick on my teeth the whole time. That's the only thing. It's a cheap palette. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's $16, like, and it's a pretty decent palette. The shimmers are a little weird, but the matte shades, those are pretty hype. Like, I'm not mad at this. This is kind of cute. Kind of cute though. But I'm loving the nostalgia was really there. It was a great marketing. Oh look. We had the same thing. Great marketing. I mean, I got the last one from my store because they were all sold out. It's not the best palette. I mean, it's no Anastasia Beverly Hills, but she's there and it's cute, it's fun. I had a great time with it. I like it. I love the nostalgia, the VHS tape. But yeah, I had a great time with it. It was fun. I might use that berry color again. You idiot. I'm digging it. I'm loving it. But yeah, this is the Hottopic eyeshadow palette for Nickelodeon. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more from me. All my other social media links will be down below. And if you could turn on the notification bell, that would be great because I'm trying to post weekly now, so we'll see how that goes. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.